You want to know something crazy? Mosaic art is over 5,000 years old, which means people were creating mosaics before many ancient civilizations even reached their peak. And somehow, many of these mosaics still exist today. So how did this art form survive for thousands of years, and why are we still creating mosaics today? On this channel, I share mosaic tutorials, tools, and the process behind creating mosaic art one piece at a time. But to really understand and appreciate mosaics today, we have to go all the way back to where it all began. The earliest known mosaics date back to ancient Mesopotamia, around 3000 to 2500 BCE. These were discovered in temples in the city of Ubaid in what is now modern-day Iraq. But these mosaics look very different from what we think of today. Instead of small tiles, artists used clay cones. They pushed these cones into wet plaster walls, creating geometric patterns using the colored ends. It was simple, but incredibly effective, and it marked the beginning of modern mosaic art. Thousands of years later, the ancient Greeks took mosaics to another level. Instead of using clay cones, they used natural pebbles to create detailed images. Greek mosaics often showed mythology, animals, daily life, and famous battle scenes. What made Greek mosaics special was their attention to detail. Artists began experimenting with shading and depth, making their work more realistic. And this laid the foundation for what came next. The Romans, the golden age of mosaic. The Romans took mosaic art and turned it into one of the most popular art forms in the entire empire. Mosaics were everywhere. They covered villa floors, bathhouses, public buildings, and courtyards. The Romans introduced Tesserae, which are small cut pieces of stone, ceramic, or glass. This allowed for much more detail and precise designs. Roman mosaics often told stories. They showed scenes from mythology, nature, and everyday Roman life. And because mosaics are so durable, many of these works have survived for over 2,000 years. The next era of mosaics was the Byzantine era, where they experimented with light and color. After the Roman Empire, mosaic art evolved again during the Byzantine period. This is where artists began to use glass tiles, known as Smalti. These tiles reflected light in incredible ways and allowed for bright, vibrant colors. Byzantine mosaics were often used in churches and religious buildings. They featured saints, religious figures, golden backgrounds, and symbolic imagery. These mosaics weren't just decorative, they were meant to inspire awe. Around the same time, mosaic art also flourished in the Islamic world. Islamic and Arab mosaics took a very different approach. Instead of focusing on human figures, these mosaics emphasized geometric patterns, symmetry, repetition, and very intricate designs. This was influenced by cultural and religious traditions that avoided depicting people in religious spaces. Some of the most stunning examples can be found in mosques and palaces across the Middle East and North Africa. These mosaics often included colored tiles, stone, and glass to create incredibly detailed, almost mathematical designs. The precision and complexity of Islamic mosaics is still admired today and continues to influence modern design. One of the reasons we know so much about ancient mosaics is because they last. Unlike paintings and other art forms which can fade or disappear over time, mosaics are made from materials like stone, ceramic, and glass, and these materials can survive for thousands of years. Because of this, mosaics give us a window into ancient history. They show us how people lived, what they believed, and what they found important. Even after 5,000 years, mosaic art hasn't disappeared. In fact, artists all over the world still create mosaics using many of the same techniques. The process is still the same to its core, cutting small pieces, placing them one by one, and slowly building an image. It's a slow process, but that's part of what makes it so rewarding. So next time you see a mosaic, you're not just looking at a piece of art. You're looking at a technique that has been passed down for thousands of years. So I'm curious, if you could see one type of mosaic in person, would it be ancient Greek, Roman, Byzantine, or perhaps Islamic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to make mosaics yourself, I share tutorials, tools, and beginner guides here on this channel. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.